Greetings, Dave Parker with Compton EdTech, and today I want to go over the use of the Google Classroom's Classwork page. In order to access the Classwork page, you'll navigate to one of your Google Classrooms, and as you'll see at the top, you have Stream, Classwork, People, Grades. We're going to click on Classwork, and here's our Classwork page. As you can see, we have topics, we have create, we have our Google Class folder and our Google Calendar, and we also have a listing of our topics and the assignments that are due. A lot of information on the Classwork page. To create an assignment is very simple. We'll just click create, and we have assignment, Cami assignment, quiz assignment, asking a question, materials, reusing posts, and topics. All accessible right there on this page. Adding assignments is covered in another area, but today we're going to talk somewhat about the other things that we use, such as topics. Topics create bookmark for your different subjects, for your different groupings. If you're teaching, say, in a math class, and first quarter is geometry, second quarter may be trig, you can use topics to differentiate that. So if I put geometry and add that as a topic, you'll see to the left, it shows my topics in the screen. You'll see my topics here, and you'll also see that it adds here. So when I add an assignment to my classwork page, I can add it by topic, and you may want to separate it by quarter, by semester, by groupings. The world is your oyster on that one. You can choose how you best to use that. If you move over here to Google Calendar, clicking on Calendar shows you the current month and the assignments that you would have due, or the assignments that you have done for that day. So I can do a month view, I can do a weekly view, and it'll show you what you have planned, what you have scheduled. And your students get this view as well, so it helps them to keep organized, and you can remind them of things to look at this and to just keep track of what they have due and what's coming up, just so they don't fall behind. And so with that, I'm going to exit out of the calendar, back to the classwork screen. And finally, here's a Google Drive folder, the class folder. Now, if you need to make QR codes and things like that, this creates a folder for every assignment that you do. So every bit of student work that's turned in will be stored in the folder. So if you want to link to student individual work, you can find it here, and then you can use QR generator or something like that to create a QR code that'll link directly to this assignment. So that's just a brief primer of what you can do with this tool. My name is D.A. Parker. That's David Parker at Compton K12.ca.us, or quite simply D.A. Parker at ComptonUSD.net if you have further questions. Thank you for your time. Hope this works for you.